This is a 2014 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and a clean, non-smoker interior. All of the following features are included: alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, a multi-function display, air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. Every Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram certified pre-owned vehicle has to pass a stringent certification process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. This means you get a 125-point inspection and thorough reconditioning process, a 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care limited warranty, an up to 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain factory-backed limited warranty, 24-hour towing, roadside assistance, and car rental allowance. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
We buy trades for more at Wallace Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. All trade-ins and all credit applications are accepted. We're located approximately 20 minutes from Palm Beach and St. Lucie County. For more information, please visit our website or come by to see the largest vehicle inventory on the Treasure Coast. We look forward to serving you.